Sí, cuando uno está calentando, después... Sí, es el sonido, the sound is balanced. You hear the same sound all the time. It's not that you have a kind of sound here and then when you go to the hard part is a different piano or something like that. You have one piano, unless you want to change that. And you can do it too. Now I think we are getting here an ambience there that is very typical of classical music. That large ambience. Respond to different level of dynamic. You see that very close to the real thing. Right? We go to the minimum.